Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to begin your journey as a ServiceNow developer. First, let's make a ServiceNow developer's account. It's free and gives you access to helpful resources. Now, go and search ServiceNow developer in the search bar. Now, here you can see the first link, ServiceNow Developers. Click on that link and it will redirect you to the ServiceNow Developers page. Here you can find sign in and sign up options. So, click on sign up. It will open up a form. We need to fill in the details. So, let's start filling the details. Now click on the CAPTCHA verification. Now here you can see the terms and condition box. You can read them or you can simply check the box and click on sign up. So I'll check the box and click on the sign up button. Now it will take us to the confirmation page. ServiceNow will send an email for our email verification. So let's get into that email and click verify email. It will redirect us to the ServiceNow developers page. And here we can see that our email is successfully verified. It will take us to the instance setup page where we will be asked to select whether we are a developer or beginner. So we will go with beginner and click on next. So here it will be asking us what roles do we need in our instance. So we have developers, designer, IT admin and others. So we will select all of them and accept the terms and condition and click finish setup. And click finish setup. So now we are on the instance page. Here we have two options to get our instance. We can either click request instance or simply click start building. Now let's go with request instance. Here we will be getting different versions of instances like Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Washington DC. So let's select the latest one. So we will be going with Washington DC version. Now selecting the Washington DC, click on request. This will take few minutes to set up. Till the instance is getting set up, let's explore the developers page where we can get all the resources related to ServiceNow. So here we have learn overview, learn plans, courses, tutorials, certifications. So let's go with learn overview. In this page, we will find the learning plans for all the users, like if we are new to ServiceNow, ServiceNow administrator, ServiceNow application developer and many more. Here we will be getting all the plans related to ServiceNow courses. So let's go with browse all learning plans. Here we can see at the top we get all the versions. For all version we have different modules, and for each modules we get a brief description about what is explained in this module. And now we get into the product documentation. Whether it's guides, release notes or explanation of different features, you will find it all here. It's your guidebook to ServiceNow. Let's start by clicking on Washington DC to access its release notes, where you will find valuable insights into new features, enhancements and bug fixes. From interface tweaks to significant backend optimization, every details in the release notes is crucial. By reviewing them, you can proactively adapt to changes and maximize the benefits of new functionalities. Now let's shift our focus to ServiceNow APIs, the backbone of seamless integration, automation and customization across the platform. ServiceNow APIs come in different scopes: client, server and global. each serving a unique purpose and offering distinct capabilities. Now, client-side APIs empower developers to manipulate UI elements, validate data, and trigger conditions without server interaction. Meanwhile, server-side APIs enable interaction with server-side data, execution of business logics, and CRUD operations. And finally, the global APIs provide access to platform-wide functionalities such as user authentication, data retrieval, and workflow automation. And that's all about APIs. Now let's get back to our screen and see whether our instance is set up or not. So we can see our instance is ready. Here is our username and password. We can directly click on this link. It will redirect us to our instance. And here we can see our instance is ready. We need to agree this. But we already got App Engine Studio view. So we want the receive view. So we'll go back to our instance page. And from here we can see that where is the change user role. Here is the change user role. We can click on that, and from there we can switch to NNA and click change user role. Now our instance will be switched to admin native viewer. So now we can go and refresh our instance. So it will be changed to admin view. Click on start building, and here we can see we get into the native view as admin. You can click next and got it. And here we can see all the applications which are available in ServiceNow. We will be going through all these applications in further videos. Now let me show you another resource of ServiceNow, that is ServiceNow community. We can either go by searching in the URL, or we can go with connect in the header menu and click on community. So it will take us to the ServiceNow community page, where we will be asked to set our user. So we can simply select our username and click on submit. Now we are on the ServiceNow community page. So here we can find all the resources related to ServiceNow. It's like a big library of helpful tips and tricks shared by other developers, perfect for anyone starting out or wanting to learn more. Now we'll be simply searching how to create table, and it will provide us all the details related to creating a table. And now we can get all the answers related to creating a table. You can simply click on any of the resource, and it will take us to that step-by-step process where we can follow the steps to create a table. We can also comment below, or also we can create our own question to ask in the community. And that's it for the ServiceNow community. Now let's check out ServiceNow Now Learning platform. You can type simply Now Learning in the search bar, and you will get the first link, Now Learning. Click on that link and it will take us to the Now Learning platform. And click on sign in. It will redirect us to the email verification, where we will be sent an OTP to our email, and we need to verify through that OTP. And now we can see we are having option to select multi-authentication. For now we'll skip that, and now we are on the Now Learning platform. Here you will find courses for all levels covering different parts of ServiceNow. It's perfect for anyone who wants to learn more about the platform. Now we can click here to see the profile and other options. But for now, I will recommend you to go with Welcome to ServiceNow course before coming to the next videos in our channel, because it will give you the basic overview of what is ServiceNow. Here you will find syllabus for ServiceNow, which is explained in this course. So here you can see all the content and overview. It is provided in all different languages. So you can see here all the languages in which it is available. And now you can start by simply clicking on the start button, which will take you to the ServiceNow course and explain you about ServiceNow platform in brief. Now let me take you to the instance. In the upcoming video, I'll dive into ServiceNow instances, exploring their application and modules, learn how to navigate, utilize and configure them for optimized productivity and streamlined process. So before ending the video, let me show you how you can manage the instance. Go to your instance page and click on profile icon. It will show you all the details regarding our instance, that what version we are on, what is the user role, and what are the activate plugins, reset and wipe instance option, manage instance password option, upgrade instance, view history and remaining options. In manage instance password, we have our username and password, and also we can reset our instance password from here. And then we have change user role, which we have already seen. Here we have App Engine Studio creator role and admin role. We can switch between roles in that and get a native or App Engine Studio view, clicking on change user role. And now we have release instance. In release instance, here we can delete our instance by selecting any option from the drop down and click on release instance. And then we have upgrade instance. From here we can upgrade our instance to different versions like Vancouver, Washington DC and other listed versions. We can simply select any version and click on upgrade instance. And then we have view history, where we can see history related to how many times we have reset our password, what plugins we have activated, and how many times we reset our instance. And then we have remove demo data. ServiceNow instance comes with some pre-installed demo data, which we can remove by checking here and click remove data. And then we have activate plugin option, from where we can install, activate, deactivate different plugins in our instance. And we also have pre-installed plugins out of the box in our ServiceNow instance. And that's it. These are the manage options for our instance. So with your ServiceNow developer account, the community, documentation and now learning, you're all set to start your journey with ServiceNow. In the upcoming videos, I will introduce you with ServiceNow instance and explain what is ServiceNow, how it works with hands-on experience, and also walk you through Welcome to ServiceNow course. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more ServiceNow videos. See you next time. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.